What's my thought on 16 years? Well, I think ITA has completed 16 years and I think it's going to complete 116 years. And it's going to be more and more successful. Reason, ITA provided the first platform ever to the television industry and the actors and the technicians to acknowledge their effort and their hard work in creating what they do create for television and provide so much of entertainment across the globe through television to people. So ITA has definitely pioneered the award and the celebration of television actors and the technicians in the television industry, and I think it is the most successful and the most prestigious awards for the people from television industry, and I'm very proud to be a part of this family right from the beginning, because I still haven't won an award though. I don't know why, but I've come and given a lot of awards to a lot of actors who've deserved it, and I'm hoping that one day I will also receive an award at the ITA, hopefully very soon. Well, every year I am a part of it. Every year I come and watch the awards. I'm part of all the celebration that happens post the award, and Shashi and Anu have been very, very dear friends. They have been like family with us, and every moment that we've spent together has been a memorable moment. We've always sat together, have had a laugh, have had singing sessions, and I think I look forward to a lot more in the coming years. Thank you. Whose performance I've liked the most? I don't know if I can pinpoint any one person, or it would be fair to say that okay, I like this one's performance and I don't like that one's performance. I think all the actors who come on stage to begin with is a very, very it's a very big achievement for anybody to come on stage and perform, because you're performing in front of the audience and there are so many people looking at you, and to be able to perform on stage itself is a big achievement, and I think it's worth applause. Thank you. One thing about ITA that I like the most, I think ITA itself is a brilliant property, because like I said earlier, it is the biggest platform and the only platform that has actually given recognition to all the television actors and the technicians from the television industry. Thank you. My views on currency notes is very, very, they're actually very simple. I have no problem because I'm very, very clean. I've always believed in white payments, so I don't have any black money, and I think I really applaud this movement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I think this is one of the most revolutionary steps ever taken, most brave step ever taken by any Prime Minister, any leader of this country from the time of independence, and I think all the pain that every common man is going through today is going to result in a very, very bright future, because to change or to bring about a change in a country that has been independent for 70 years, yet it has not really achieved what it should have as a country, because we have the biggest, the largest number of youth, one of the biggest population, one of the biggest land. We still haven't been there where we could have been. So I think when the money is aligned and it is turned into white and it's given into the right hands, I think this country can be as good as any other country, any other developed country in the world. So I welcome this move. Thank you so much. Thank you.